Now this is a fab opportunity to get yourself, probably for the value for money, the best Discovery 5 we have had for a long time. Not so long ago we'd have sold this car, maybe a little bit newer, for about 80 grand. This is fabulous value. It's a D300 big horsepower diesel engine, HSE Discovery 5. Not only that, it looks outstanding. It's Santorini black, full black pack, steps, the best wheels, 22-inch gloss black 5-arm wheels with an opening roof, with adaptive cruise, with heated steering wheel, with refrigerator to the center console. This is an HSE spec car, so we've got heated and cooled seats. It's magnificent, it's aerodynamic, it looks sporty, it's got roof rails, it's got the duotone interior that I love. Meridian surround, memory seat, 360 camera, it's got everything. It's a one owner from new, full Land Rover Service History car. You just cannot find these examples every day. We're pricing it to sell. Look at our pricing strategy. At the moment, we're selling cars hand over fist because we price them properly. These cars like this do not come to market very often. Heated front and cooled front seat, heated rear seat, opening roof, dual sunroofs, 7 seats, air suspension, fully black. That's what's going to sell this car, the look of it. Plus it's a D300, so big horsepower car, which makes a difference if you're going to pull something, you're going to enjoy the car to its true potential, drive it as it's supposed to be. Big boot space here, I've got the 7 seats down, electric rear shelf, easy to do. Look at this boot. You know, if you want the 7 seats up, they're done electrically through these buttons here. You've got air suspension as well, but just trust me, if you're looking for a Discovery 5, it doesn't come better. Now, let's have a look at the exterior styling before we go inside. So we've got a full black pack on this car. We've got steps and we've got these wheels, really important, 22-inch wheels. LED lights to the front, dynamic grille, black badging, full black inserts to that aerodynamic styling to the front. Keyless entry, keyless start. Then, stereo, magnificent. One above Meridian, it's the surround. We've got memory seats, we've got fully electric seats. Condition as well, condition is beautiful. And then jumping in, all these really important features matter. Heated steering wheel, you've got to have that in this weather. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot assist. Seats to the front are cooled, they're also heated. How nice is that? Then, under here, refrigerator, center console, wireless phone charging pad down here, wireless smartphone integration, opening roof, 360 camera, look at this. Off-road camera, on-road camera, top view camera, 3D camera, 11.4-inch touchscreen. It's got everything, it really has. It's wonderful, this car. It's got to sell straight away, it just has to. So if you're interested, my number's on the screen, ring me. One thing I've missed, it's got premium cabin lighting, which means that you can switch the lighting in the car. You might not be able to pick it out. Can you see it in the door there? It's currently blue. You can switch it about 5 colours. Red, white, blue, orange, I think. But that's a really nice feature, isn't it? So, lovely order. It's a 21, it's still under Land Rover warranty. It'll come fully prepared, and it's magnificent. Thanks for watching.